Hi, I'm Jay, and today on Jay's World Kitchen, we're making two different milk tarts. Melktert is a South African dessert and its origins are long and old. I'm not going to go into all of that. The tough part is that there must be 1,000 recipes for this absolutely amazing dessert. I have two favorites, and when I was putting together this episode, I could not choose which one was my favorite. And so I filmed both and was like debating, do I post one week and one the next? And I didn't really want to do duplicate videos. So I've decided that I'm going to do this video, and then you can choose and watch both videos if you want, or just one of them. So to start off, you are going to need a pie crust, and that video link is down below, or you can click it up here right now. And then you get to choose the two recipes that I made. One is my mom's recipe for Melktert, and that recipe is up here, and the other recipe is the recipe from my cousin, and that is now up here. You can also find those links below in the comment section. I hope that you try one or both of those, and if you do, please remember to comment down below. I would love to hear which one your favorite is, or what recipe you use to make Melktert. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the like button. You can turn on the notifications too. Remember that you can follow me on social media, and all of those links are below in the comment section. Remember as well that you can support this channel by visiting my Patreon, and that link is also below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.